Today we're doing Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. Before we start, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and check out my personal channel for other music lessons and all kinds of other stuff. And go to modernmusiclearning.com for the sheet music that accompanies this video. Okay, so this song has 3 parts. I'm going to play through each of the 3 parts and then we're going to break it down after. So here's part 1. Here's part 2. And then here's part 3, the guitar solo part. Okay, so that's the 3 parts. So we're going to break this down one by one. Part 1 goes like this. E, E, G, E, D, C, B. It's going to do that 3 times, and on the 4th time, we're going to do this little tail variation. E, E, G, E, D, C, D, C, B. So that's going to look like this. This for 3 times. And then on the 4th, we do the variation. Da 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 da. That takes us right into part B, which is a little transition part. G, 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 A, 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 A. So 8 Gs, 8 As. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then, back into part 1. So that repeats for a few times, and then later in the song there's a guitar solo, and that goes E, E, G, E, E, G, F sharp, E, E, G, A, G, G, A, G, F sharp, E, E, G, E, E, G, F sharp, E, E, G, E, D, C, D, C, B. That's all the parts of the song. So you might notice that I'm playing this in 2 octaves. I'm playing the same thing in my left hand that I'm playing in my right hand. You don't have to do that. You can play just your left hand. That would be perfectly fine. You could play just your right hand as long as you're playing it low enough to sound like the song. If you listen to the studio recording, you might notice that this riff is being played on a bass or a guitar or a baritone guitar. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but it's low. So you don't want to have your right hand be up here. That just doesn't sound like it. You want it to be low. So whether you're doing it in 2 hands or 1 hand, either is fine, but make sure it's low. So that's the song. Make sure you head to modernmusiclearning.com to check out the sheet music that accompanies this. And if you appreciate what I do, I'm also on Patreon, and all the links for those things are in the description.